Okay, these are your instructions for how to make your pattern pumpkin. So today you'll need your pencil, every table should have a basket of crayons, and every 2 people should have one of these sheets that has patterns on both sides. This is your pattern inspiration sheet, so if you get stumped and you can't come up with a pattern, there's plenty for you to choose from on here that are easy. Some are shapes, some are lines, shouldn't be hard. So you have your pumpkin. You can do it in pencil first if you'd like and then color it in, or you can start with crayon if you feel confident in your patterns, but sometimes it's easier if you will just draw them out first. So in your pumpkin you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different sections. Those 7 different sections are each going to get a different pattern. So make sure that you are looking at the pattern sheet or come up with 7 unique patterns out of your own head. So I'm going to start with my stem, and I'm going to pick this pattern right here. It's wavy lines with some dots, and so some of the dots are colored in, but some of them are not. So I'm not going to color them in with my pencil. I'm going to wait until I start with the crayons, and I'm going to color them in with my crayons. So wavy line, I'm going to do my wavy lines first. I'm going to keep going. I guess technically if you count the top of the stem, you have 8 different sections, but you could do that the same as the stem if you wanted to. I think I'll do that. Alright, so in between each of my lines, and I would keep doing that until my whole pattern is filled up. Then I'm going to come over to my crayons and I'm going to pick out colors that I like. In this case, I'm going to use orange for some of them. Now remember, you're using crayons, so sometimes those are hard to fill in patterns with. But you'll just have to take your time. And I'm just going to do every other one. And just because the pattern on the pattern sheet has black and white in it doesn't mean that you have to fill it in with black and white. I might find a green that I like and fill in the other ones with green. But now here's what I need from you. I need the entire pumpkin to be covered. So once I've done that, I'm going to actually go over my lines now too. If you can't get real close with the crayon, I understand. Do the best you can. Okay, so I would do all of that. Then I'm going to come back with another color. And maybe even fill in with that color first. Sometimes that works better if you fill it in, then come back with your other color. Put your dots on top. But that's up to you. However you want to do it, you can. But you're going to fill all 8 sections with different patterns, 7 if you want to. And so this sheet has lots of different patterns on it, checkerboard, some different just line patterns, and you can apply color to them instead of just doing them black and white. So again, you can do it in pencil first if you don't like the way it looks with the pencil and the crayon, then do it with crayon first. So let's see, I'm going to do this section right here. So I'm going to do it with the crayon instead of my pencil. It's really important that the pattern goes all the way through the section and it doesn't just abruptly stop and start again. And then I would just keep doing the checkerboard for the rest of it. But I need to come back, like I said, I want the whole thing covered. So I'm going to come back with another color and fill in the opposite part of the checkerboard. So no white showing, even if you color it white, but no white showing. So try to cover the entire pumpkin.